All right, welcome to another Fortress balance sheet. It is the 1st of the 5th, 2020, and I'm looking at Sezzle from the BNPLs. All right, so what's happening? Looks a little bit overbought. The key item is RSI says overbought. This suggests it's ready to fall over. But am I willing to put a lot of coinage there? You know, it's actually pretty safe, to be honest. It's probably, if I can get some borrow, it's worth adding that to the list. So Sezzle, 1.65 and short it to around 1.21. And that is roughly 20-ish% in gains, 27%, my bad. All right, so that's that one, and we're going for the 1.2, which is very reasonable. It's all very reasonable. It looks like there's a descending channel here. It looks pretty safe, pretty comfortable. So I think we can proceed with that one. Zip. Zip looks, okay, that's maybe a descending channel, but I always screw up Zip, so we'll leave it. Afterpay, 29. If it's obviously wants to tank and die, then I'll put a short on there, but otherwise I don't think that is a super fun idea. But it is good to see increasing volume, which coupled with like stretched-ish RSI could be good. But like this is just a mess, an absolute mess. So I think it's best to ignore that one. Split it. This is doing a cap raise. It is, you know, some people might say pretty not super great. I don't know who those people might be, but Flexi Group. Again, looks like another descending channel going on here, but they're going to be challenged by the credit card piece. So not super keen along there, but except for maybe 50 cents. See how we go, but I just leave it for now because there's nothing particularly good going on there. OpenPay, stupid. Jumping into construction. ABC, Adelaide Brighton Limited. Nothing going on there. I mean, you could potentially go along there to there, but it's not really worth it. RWC, again, nothing too special there. GBT, nothing special. Borrow, nothing special. Transurban, nothing special. AGL, that's interesting. But I don't really trade AGL, so I'll leave that. Bluescope Steel, no, nothing. Cleanaway, nothing. Jump to consumer. City Chic Collective Limited. That is super cool, but not going to touch that. If it drops again, I'll get involved. Webjet, I wanted to go long today, but it's like it's not quite the time. We'll try again at around 220 or so, depending on what happens. CTD, Corporate Travel Management, again, don't really want to touch that. Excalibur Furniture, don't want to touch that. Caltex, 2340, sell off, don't know why. MTO, Motorcycle Holdings Limited. What's going on here? Oh yeah, there was no news for that one. Looks like it was just a base that fall. The people were keen, totally fine. Flight Center, yeah, rejected. That's probably what's going to happen to Webjet as well. Australian Finance Group. Looks like it's heading lower. Don't want to touch it. I guess getting involved at $1.28 for a quick bounce. that might be worth putting in. FG at 128 and get out at 153. Oh, 20%. Nice. Next one. Qantas, 362. It looks like it wants to head higher, but Qantas doesn't fly internationally, so I don't see the point. Why would it be worth half of what it was before? It makes no sense at all. So no. There's far out. I'm going to touch that if it's lower. Get involved quite clearly. That's a good move. Great dividend yield. BVA, Viva Leisure. This one's a bit of a weirdo. No. You can't get borrow on that. A, B, illiquid. C, like, no point getting involved. Kogan dropped off its $8, just like it did last time. Do you want to short it? Probably. It's probably a good short, but is it stressful? Yes. Because Kogan's a bit like messy and gross. I'll put something in anyway if it gets to 8 and get out at 7. 12.5%, not bad. Oh, shit. Maya, people don't seem to think it's going to recover. I don't know. I don't care because it's too like stressful. GA education. I feel like childcare centers are going to be fine, but it's not clear. So I want to go long, but I just have to wait till it grows sell off. AIZ in New Zealand, leave that one. Harvey Norman, everybody hates it. Previl's Group. No. Event Hospitality, it'll probably edge lower. It's basically the value of the assets at this stage, the actual locations. SUL, Super Retail, rejected. Bub, looks like it wants to topple over, but I'm brave enough to short that. Wesfarmers is, yeah, I'm not going to touch that. Metcash, not going to touch that one. I almost went long on it at $2.50. Looks like that would have been a suboptimal idea. Beacon Lighting Group, we've got, yeah, no, that's a little bit high. No longs there. Kit McGrath, Education, no, I'm not going long on that. Woolworths Group, again, not going. Oh, wait, actually, could be a long at 34 if we head to 34. Yep. Yeah, that's fine. Oh wait, we should do something a little lower than 34. 33.52. 33.52, and we'll get back out at 36. That's 7.3%. It's not amazing, but that thing just bounces and it doesn't screw around really. So if you can get 33.5, I think you're doing a really good job around there. It's fantastic. I'd be quite comfortable with that. Oops, next. JB Hi-Fi, 34.33. I'll just leave that one. Mosaic Brands, just leave that one. It's too thinly traded. Experience Company, again, don't feel comfortable with that one. If it sells off, that's fine. Get involved. All right, financials, what's happening? Virgin UK, yeah, it's doing some, yeah, I'm not gonna get involved in that one. Can't short it, and it's just like in between. Bendigo, Adelaide Bank. Again, this thing will just trade lower as everything turns to shit. CCP, Credit Corp. Again, just expecting this to get lower highs and trend lower, but I don't want to touch it, so I need to wait for an aggressive sell-off. Bank of Queensland, 484. These guys will probably head lower again. It's just what they do. Premium. I'll buy if there's a steep sell-off. The 19 cents would have been amazing. Eclipse Group, no. NAB, nah, same as the other banks. ANZ, no, they'll head lower probably. Suncorp, same. CBA, same. AMP, same. Mortgage Choice, same. Net Wealth. Looks like it wants to head lower. Leave it. Pow, dodgy. Hub, won't touch that. Review Holdings, not touching that. Oops, Tabcorp. I really want to buy that at some stage. But wow. Oh no, sorry, that's Virgin Money. Tabcorp. Yeah, it's not too bad. Manufacturing, what's happening? Bapcor, too expensive. Same one. No. New Farm. It's trading weird. Capping up or something. Flexnel Global. No. Cap raise. Hey, no. $4.51. Market wants to head lower, so I'm not going to touch that. CGC. Costa Group Limited. No. AT Milk. Should have shorted that at 19, but I was nervous, so I'll just leave it there. Maybe it could stay 10.50 and we get a chance again. That would be really good, I think, because the risk is 50 cents to the upside and much larger downside, like $1, $1.50. So we'll try to get involved with that one. Put that one in the list. So 18.5, get out at 17, or 16.5 actually. 10.5. So the reason this one, yeah, 10% already, 11%. So that's the reason this one is not super awesome is because of China trade issues. But also it's super pricey compared to here, and we are in a downturn, so why should it be there? It doesn't make a lot of sense. Plus, everyone agrees by smashing it down there. So good. Next we've got Ingham's. I don't know what to do with chicken. Not going to touch it. $9.45 for Treasury Wine Estates. Just already been smashed. I don't want to really get involved there. Bag of cheese, a mess, an absolute mess. Pack Group Holdings, don't want to get involved with that one. CG1, Carbonex Group, don't want to get involved. BWX, Weird, don't want to get involved. Zuno, don't want to get involved. All right. Consumer Technology, Domain Home Group, should head lower. Do we get to $1.80? That'd be amazing. Go long. Car sales. Not sure what to do here. $13 could be an opportunity, but depends where things go more generally. Like it could be, it's not worth it for a little pop. No. CPU, nothing here. REA, nothing here. Rent, not gonna get involved. Freelancer, no. Laptops, no. Zero. Looks like I was ahead lower, but the commission will be destructive, so it's PBH. No. Redbubble, no. Almo Software, no. BetMakers Tech. Duh. Rectifier, no. M17, Match 7, no. AMS, no. Volt, not sure what's going on there. Tyro, really wants to get rejected, but is it going to get rejected? I think it really wants to be though. It's worth looking at, I think. Yep, it is potentially worth looking at, but we're going to get a reopening, so no, I'll get that on the upside. I like it too much. Aristocratic Leisure. Data, can't get Pyro. Catapult, lovely. LBT, Ordinate. Nothing to do there, I think. Except go along where the opportunity rises, like $4. Back again. Alright, what's happening in software? Nearmap, $1.48, don't touch that, it's a piece of shit, everybody hates it. Label, Laserbond, PPE, Strange Company, not touching it. QFE, Quick Fee, not going to get involved. Email, nah, I'm not going to touch that. Happen, Overbought, perhaps. WiseTech, not going to get involved. Link, not going to get involved. All of these look the same. They are all just in the same pattern. So you're pretty much just going to find the thing that you like the most. Technology one, probably overbought, but I can show it. No chance in hell. Next, DC, not sure. ADA, don't know. Chin, not sure what to do. WSP, no. Pushpay, no. Bit Energy, no. Envirosway, no. Superloop, no. MP1, stunning. If you can go along that, you'd be pretty stoked, I think, but nothing for us there. What's happening with the utilities? Telstra, $2.99. Shite. I guess the superannuation guys are selling that. Very cool. We'll buy it $2.90. Let's put Telstra on there. TLS 2.9 with the next to it 3.01. A 3.7% return. Not amazing. Let's see if we can go 2.87. Yay, that's 5% return. That's fantastic. Let's do that. All right. So what were the key ones that are really good? Add those to the daily watch. 1, 2, 3. We had Sizzle, which looks interesting. If we can get Borrow. AFG for a long at $1.28. Then we've got Kogan for a short at 8. Woolworths for a long at 33.52. A2 Milk for a short at 18.5. And Telstra for a long at 2.87. How do I feel about that? So Sezzle, we want to show up. I think that's okay because they just reported recently, so it should be a risk of surprising good news. AFG, that should be fine because we're going to get really good return and lowish risk. Kogan, I don't think they're going to surprise any more further to the upside. That is ridiculous, beyond stupid. So I'm very comfortable with going short there. Well, less comfortable with that one. It's only a 7.3% gain, but importantly, it's outside of the Bollinger. That's meant to mean it's good, so I think we want to get involved. ATM milk, 17.95. Yeah, so it's hitting lower, but how much lower? It feels comfortable to go 16.5. Feels very comfortable. But then you'd obviously make it a long around here if it fell quite quickly. Telstra, yeah, if we drop out of there, I'm quite comfortable with that. And where else is that showing up? Yeah, it's 285. It's fantastic. You got your rallies there. All right, good. Done. Okay, so what's happening in the US? Overnight, Nasdaq down 2.4%. S&P down 2%, Dow down 2%. It's fantastic. So what does that mean for those guys on the USA list? So Nasdaq hit the stunning 9,000, up on prior year, despite all the hell that's taking place. Very cool. And what do we got? We've got a bit of a, so we're meant to open that 875. What's 875? Fuck. It's around there. That's quite brutal. But we'll see. Like, there's, I don't think we can say that it's going to lead to a big sell-off just yet. Next, we've got the SPX. What's the SPX saying? So we're saying we're going to drop to 2849, and we're currently at 2912. 2849 is right there. Like, there's got plenty of action going on there, so there's no strong indication that we're going to drop below 2.8, as much as it would be exciting and fun for that to take place. Then we got the EJX, which we don't really care about. We only really care about the SPX. Now we've got Bloomberg. What's going on? Trump House question is PPA, airlift, but details of sales are secret. Nothing interesting there. Current this pandemic likely to last 2 years. Depressing. That should keep things shitty and depressing. Downward trending. Vaccines for 300 million people this year. The impossible dream. Cool. Pessimism. Authors in co-crisis. The mob is the ultimate enforcer. Don't know what that is. That must be a person. US futures drop amid earnings caution. Dollar off market wrap. Okay, so is it a USD up? USD versus the AD. Okay, so we're up. Cool. I should have bought USD perhaps, but I didn't really want to. So we got JPY, USD. The Japanese yen heads up usually means bad news. Yeah. What's happening to the VIX volatility index? We're heading up. Good, but where are we going to go? Probably not too much. Let's be honest. Bad news is probably behind us, unfortunately, in terms of how quickly it's moving. All right, cool. Looks like bad news coming through. Amazon said it will risk loss to cover jump in pandemic spending. Says it will risk loss. Okay. Okay, challenges. Good. All right. US auto market glut. Good. Depressing. All right, done. Perfect. Well, from what we can tell, I'll just do the US market tonight. form another view, but I think at this stage, those plays that I put on are going to have to be the ones that I go with. Daily watch. All right. I've been killed too many times, so I just have to leave it until it's very clear that that's what he really, really wants to do. All right.